Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, nation paper. You know it's a 10-star one. Yeah. What's up? Good? Alright, good. Alright. Yeah, man. So, you see a bag of people saying, like, the way the match at, it's like they must say the clash over. It's like, I don't know, like the people them want the clash over, you know what I mean? So, the way the people them attack, is what I deal with, like, the clash does start, bro. Yo, the clash does start. The artists them not even get up into them feelings like that to the way how me see some people are get into them feelings, my brother. Yo, when I love the clash, my brother, leave them on them clash and make them on them prevail, my brother. A gimmicks thing when I go on with my brother, it's like the go along, get along gang is real. It's real. It's real. They ain't no go along, get along gang on YouTube 10 star. Okay. The Yes Man game on YouTube is real. It's real. It's real. You have a Yes Man game on YouTube 10 star? I don't know. Yo, I'm telling you this, man. Leave the man them clash alone, man. Make the man them prevail, man. It's okay, man. For anybody at all have them own opinion, my brother. Opinion don't mean you're right or you're wrong, my brother. It's just an opinion, my brother. Here's what I say. No gimmicks thing no there about that. Here's what I deal with. Yeah, it's okay if you have your own opinion. But nobody swing the opinion from people and not act like, well then, if people now say what you are say, well then, you know what I mean? It's a different thing. You know what I mean? No, it can't be. There's what I deal with, no joking no there about it. There's what I deal with. In the end of the day, people have a life where them like, my brother. Whether you like it or not, that's how the world runs. You know what I say? Yeah, everybody have a choice, my brother. You know what I deal with? It's all up to the choices where you choose. It's all the way you like. You know, but not because you prefer that thing, well then, you want to downgrade and expand the thing. Yo, let me tell you something. Real man not stand up on the next man's shoulder, my brother, to survive. You hear me? That not in the name of real man. You see me? Because real man is about respect and integrity. It's what I deal with and about him family. In at the end of the day, what go on the internet with the clash between Khago and ioctane, there's what I say. If the man them stand up face to face with them one another, and now I see such disrespectful argument not to all the man them are go on, you know. There's what I say. Because as they talk on the internet, the least thing a man I say go suck your mother. If him in front of him now talk to you like that, my brother. There's when I say I have to go choose him word precisely. And that's a real thought, that's another gimmicks thing. There's when I say, yeah, but if it good for the goose, it good for the gander to my brother. You know what I mean? Naturally, actually and fracturally. Because here what go on. The man them want whole cargo responsible for attack where met about Shibada. You don't know, no straight man, no mix up, no lean man. In enough of my arguments. We know that, so that was a lower blow. And that was good orchestrated by ioctane. You see what I say? Because you already don't know how Jamaican population stay. Like most people are go burn out them type of thing there, you see me? And that's no joke, that is just natural fact. You see what I say? But at the end of the day, set speed. If you ever say that about cargo, you have to, I can't trust ioctane neither. Me as a real ghetto youth, I can't trust him neither. Because he must say Vegas, Zin, sleep with many man, and him know that. But yet still, him there from private blood clot card, a big Vegas collaboration. So all man for trust him. Eh? Dog. Leave the clash, make the clash go on, you know what I mean? So the people them can enjoy whatever the two artists them bring. And the two artists them can even capitalize for what go on for them set speed. You see what I say? It's too soon for people start negative, my brother. I don't know no joke thing there about it. These are the reason why the clash them for Bob Buckler the internet can't manifest like that. You see what I say? You have too much people chat all too much different type of shit, my brother. The clash them will manifest and it goes on for years and years and them thing there till the action of a take on stage and them thing there. The reason why them clash they were so successful, you never have nobody could have dipped them mouth in it because anything when you talk about the clash you have to go deal with physically on the street. And when you approach other people on the street, you know how the thing go. You see what I say? Yeah. You have to make up your mind. It's either or either. You see what I deal with? It's either you have plan for war or you're not going to reach up on a different level. And that's just naturally, actually, and fractally. You see what I say? So if you not go hold cargo, for one thing, my brother, we not for hold ioctane for the same thing too. You see what I say? And at the same time, ioctane, him now counteract the thing them where cargo really I say him a skip past them. Him a tell the man to get proof. No, you for answer. You can't just say get proof and skip past 3-4 things. You see what I say? And that's how it's supposed to go, my brother. A easy way out here look. You see what I say? You say you guard up that mean over man beard you. You see what I say? And you not answer nothing about that. You know what I mean? No joke shit no dead about it. That's what I deal about anyway. Me a man, in spice, I want to see I go on the internet. Me personally, I love what I go on for the two artists. Them. You see what I say? I wish it can go on longer for the two artists. Them see it in the benefit of the both artists. With me the life to see them clear off on a stage. Of course, if it going to show a different light on them career, yeah, I'm up for it. You see what I say? Anything where for bring the exposure, you see me? From you know disgrace yourself and from you know war the artists them a war, it's supposed to superb, my brother. You see what I say? The most we can do as fans, a cheer on the clash and cheer on the artists them. You see what I say? Whether you cheer for this one or you cheer for that one. But me not think you're supposed to fling no obligation in the clash in terms of like bringing down the clash or bring down the next artist. You see what I say? It's too early for that. No gimmicks thing no there about it. And you have to remember say yo, your opinion are just your one. You see what I say? Because if you check the truth and you check others people, they have a different opinion from what you said. Because 7 brothers are 7 different minds. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that there about it. You know what I mean? And we don't have to quarrel and fight for listen to one another and enjoy both opinion. It's only when a man I try to stick down in his opinion and you act like his opinion are your reality, it becomes a problem because here we are going. A man a fight for win a point. Reason is not about winning a point, my brother. Reason is something we wise up both our knowledge. As long as we're not reason to win a point against each other. Sometimes we try to do that and it costs death, my brother. Fight all kind of mischief. You see what I say? So excellent and a perfection. It's a provoking habit but everybody have to practice. So no gimmicks thing that they in it on the leave on the clash. I love the clash where go on between ioctane and Khago. I wish if the man them can keep it up till it start take on the ground the right and proper way so the two artists them can eat food half a way them a create and half of the impact of what them a create half of them artistry. You see what I say? I real way I represent in a 10 star the general and I know each time I represent when I know a Gaza way there ain't no other way 10 star. Oh.